plant. Do you have a spider plant at your home? If yes, let's start. First, we need to take some cuttings. So I have these small ones over here. Yeah? So you have to cut it in a 45-degree angle like this. I'll keep it in this ball. Second, I see over here. So I'll cut it from a 45-degree angle over here. And let me put it in a ball. And now one is over here. So again we have to cut it in a 45-degree angle. This is a pretty small one. And now I have this big one. So I have to cut it from over here, 45-degree angle. And see, this is a big one. And let me keep it in my ball. And after a couple of weeks, when you put them in water, they look like this. And can you see this big root over here? Let me just show you. See, they are the roots. They are so big. Yeah? I'll just keep it. And these are my cuttings. I've already cleaned them. So I have these pots. I've already put some decoratives. So we have to keep this in there. Okay? So can you see this leaf coming down over here? So we just have to pluck it. And this one coming down. If you don't pluck it, they'll make the water dirty. And can you see the roots over here? They are very small. But when you keep them in water, they'll grow. So I'll keep this inside this. Like this. Now let me put some water. Like this. So this one is completed. Now over here. Keep it over here. So these one, we are going to put it in this. So over this is fine. We have to find the leaves. So this is all is fine. This is also fine. What about you? Yeah, there are some leaves. So we'll just pluck them. Leaves which are coming down, only have to pluck them. And now we are going to put this in this. So let me make some space. And you just put it. Now let me put some water. See them? They are ready. And this is my previous one. So yeah. And are you looking at this? This is my snake plant. I have grown it in water. Do you want to also grow it? The link is given in my description below. If you have any questions around this, do let me know in the comment section below. And remember, two most important things. Change the water every Sunday. And second,